students, let us come to chapter number 2, operations on large numbers. Already you are well aware about operation. When we talk about operation in mathematics, it mainly deals with addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So the concept of operation on numbers is same, only we are learning about some more large numbers. So let us recall with the revision part. Addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction of large numbers are performed in the same way as addition or subtraction of smaller number. As you have learnt in smaller classes, how to subtract two numbers, how to add two numbers, how to add three digit numbers, how to subtract smaller three digit number from bigger three digit number, the rules which you have learnt in lower classes, we will be following the same rule for large numbers. So again we are starting with the recap. We start from ones place and regroup it if necessary. Means whenever you are performing an addition, you have to always start from the ones place. See, ones place is here. You can indicate ones place. We are starting our addition part with ones place. So here you can make a view. 9 and 3, they are considered as addends. 3 is also considered as addends. Means the number which you are adding with another number, both are considered as addends in the term of addition. Whatever the answer we are getting after addition, it is known as sum. You can make a view here. It is sum. So when 9 and 3 are added, we get 12. So we will be writing, when we try to make the view on number 12, 2 is related to ones place. So see, we have placed 2 under ones place, and 1, it will be considered as the tens digit. So tens digit will be taken as remainder. You can check it here. Tens digit is taken as a remainder. So we will be writing that 1 in tens place. So this way, further when we proceed addition, tens place, now digits are 8 and 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 remainder when added becomes 11. Again 11 here. In 11, one's number is 1. So we are writing here. And then again we are sending the remainder, that is 1 to the next place. When 2 and 5 are added, it becomes 7. And in that 7, when we add 1, it becomes as 8. Lastly, 7 plus 1 is 8. So this way we can obtain addition of the 4-digit number in the given example. So thus we can say 7289 plus 1523 is equal to 8812. So this way we have tried to mug up or revise the addition process. Let us see the subtraction process. Again in subtraction also we follow the process from ones place. 3 minus 8. So again first we'll be seeing what is 3 in case of subtraction. The bigger number from which we are subtracting smaller numbers. The bigger numbers are known as minuend. The group of bigger digit will be minuend, and the group of smaller digit will be known as subtrahend. Means whatever you are subtracting, they are subtrahend. From which number you are subtracting, they are minuend. And after subtraction, whatever the answer you get, they are known as difference. Means after subtracting a smaller number from bigger number, the value which we are getting is difference. So here it is. So let us start the process of subtraction from ones place. 3 minus 8. Now see, 3 minus 8 is not possible from a smaller digit. We can't subtract a bigger digit. So already you are well aware about the rule. We will be going to the next place, and in that next place whatever the number is there from that digit, we will be taking one borrowing value. So from 5 when 1 is taken in the next, that is ones place, so 3 now becomes as 13. 1 and 3 becomes as 13, and here only 4 will be left. So from 13, try to subtract 8. So from 13, when 8 is subtracted, we get the value 5. So here, once number will be 5. Now 4 is left here. Already 5 has given one number or landed one number to the earlier place. So here it is 4. 4 minus 7. Not possible. Again now 4 will be going to the next, that is place or next period, and there again 1 will be borrowed. So when 4 lent 1 to the next, that is place, so here 3 will be left. Now this 4 becomes as 14. 14 minus 7 becomes as 7. So our next difference is 7. 3 minus 9, not possible. Again 3 will be going to the next place and borrowing one value from the given digit. So when 4 land 1 to the number 3, 3 becomes as 13 and 4 becomes as 3. So 13 minus 9, again when we subtract them, it becomes 4. And lastly 3 minus 2, it is 1. So this way we can say from 4453, if we subtract 2978, the value obtained will be 1475. This is known as difference of the two number value. This is known as difference of the two numbers. Next comes multiplication and division. Again, let us see the process. Already you are well aware. So again, multiplication, when we do the multiplication of two numbers or three number, always we start from the lower. That is, again we start from ones place. So before starting it, let us see what is 43 here. 43 is known as multiplicand, the number in which you will be seeing the table. Number of times you will be seeing the table, that will be multiplicand, the digits in which you will be seeing the table of any number, that much time is multiplicand. Next group, it is multiplier. With multiplication sign, whatever the numbers are written, they are considered as multiplier, that is the table values. You have to say the table of the particular digits, and whatever the answer we get after having the multiplication, we give the word or the term product. So here it is product. So let us see how we can make a calculation of two numbers. Now 12. Already you are well aware with the table of 12. So here we will be directly saying or using the table of 12. 12 threes are 12 threes are. So we are well aware 12 threes are 36. So here we will be writing 6 and 3 will be taken to the next, that is period. Then 12 into 4, it is 48. In 48, when we add 3, it becomes as 51. So 51 ka 5 will be writing here. 5 gets remainder and then we'll be copying that 5 as it is. This way we can say 43 when multiplied by 12, it is 516. Let us see the next number or next process, that is division, opposite of multiplication. Opposite of multiplication is division. We have to divide 45 with 2. Now the terms which we will be having here, 20 is considered, the table number is having the term as divisor. The number which whose table you are using to divide the given number, the table number is considered as divisor. The number which you want to divide, we want to divide 45. So 45 is considered as dividend. The table number is considered as divisor. And when we start the process of division, so let us see. In the table of 20, 45 doesn't come, but yes, we are aware about the table values. So in the table of 20, 2 times 40 occurs. So see, and if we see the table of 23 times, it becomes 60. So 60 will be bigger than 45. So it is not possible to divide a smaller value with the bigger one. So we will be using a table of 22s are. So here it is 40. Subtraction will be there. After subtraction we get 5 as the remainder. 4 and minus 4 becomes 0. So when you subtract a smaller value from bigger value, and whatever the answer is left over, that is the remainder. So leftover is known as remainder. Number of times the table which we have recalled is known as quotient. So here it is quotient. See, here it is quotient, and the number which you have divided is dividend. The table number which you have used is divisor. So this way, 45 when divided by 20, we get quotient as 2 and remainder as 5. So this all concept you are well aware. So we have now discussed about the earlier class concept. Now the same process will be following to make the view on the larger number. So before that, match the column is there. So try to complete the calculation and try to make the matching of the correct answers. We'll be seeing the final answers in the next, that is homework part. So try to solve, match the column as HW.